In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a sheet page in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to click, and how to confirm that your new sheet page is ready to use inside your current project. First, open the Canva project where you want to add the sheet page. Make sure you're inside the editor, looking at your design with the page thumbnails visible. These thumbnails help you navigate between pages, and they're important because the control we need sits right at the end of that strip. Now, look toward the bottom of the editor at the end of your page thumbnails. You'll see a plus icon that's used to add a new page. Don't click the plus just yet. Instead, hover near it and look for a small downward arrow right next to the plus. That arrow opens a menu with more page options. If you don't see the arrow immediately, move your cursor slowly around the plus icon or adjust your window size so the control isn't hidden. On smaller screens, you might need to scroll the thumbnail strip to the very end to reveal it. Click the downward arrow to open the menu. A small panel will appear with a few different types of pages you can insert. In that menu, look for the option labeled Sheet. Click Sheet. The moment you select it, Canva will insert a new sheet page directly into your project. You'll see it appear alongside your other pages, and you can click into it right away. That's all there is to it. Once the sheet page is in place, you're free to use it however you like. Treat it as a structured space for organizing information, planning, or laying out content in a clear, manageable format. If you're not sure it was added, glance back at your page thumbnails and confirm that a new page has appeared. If it ended up in the wrong place, you can drag the thumbnail to reorder it. And if you click the wrong option, simply undo and try again. The menu is always available next to the plus icon whenever you need it. A quick recap. Open your project, find the plus icon at the end of your page thumbnails, click the small downward arrow next to it, choose Sheet, and your sheet page will be added to the project. It's a simple, reliable way to expand your design with a page that's ready for organized content without leaving the editor or interrupting your workflow.